How many times have you listened to a song and it instantly transported you to the first time you heard it? Imagine being able to replicate that sound and feeling in your home to share with your friends and family. Whether you are ready to start playing the vinyl records that have been put away or are ready to start streaming high-resolution audio, we at ReelTime are here to guide you through the process from beginning to end. Our systems are designed with you in mind, and we individually cater to your every want to captivate the experience you desire, along with providing the ability to match any aesthetic. In addition, we integrate your classic components with new technology to provide the perfect blend of vintage and new. Enjoy music, podcasts, and concerts like you have never heard. We have speaker options to complement any room, from floor-standing speakers to bookshelf speakers to in-ceiling and on-wall speakers. We look forward to sharing our passion and knowledge with you to create the system of your dreams.